What's good, YouTube? Eluthra Customs back again with another video, and today I'm doing a shoot for my guy GSG Hussle. If you want to check out his page, he does like crazy tutorials on guns. If you guys want to see, look into that. Today we're gonna be doing like obviously a GSG Hussle theme. We're gonna put his logo on the front part, and you know, obviously gonna put guns all over the shoe. And funny thing, I put Deadpool in it. You gotta see is crazy what you're gonna see in the end of the video if you guys get there. But like the video, comment what you think, suggest anything that you want me to do next. I could do anything you guys want, and share with your friends. I really appreciate it, and enjoy the video.
JK, really?
Hey, yo, Lorenz, what you doing?
Sliding in my coupe and I don't even got no roof. Grinding for that thirsty, now he talking about no juice. Staying on the earth, but I'm reaching for the moon. Burberry on me, now my hair popping like the tune. I was going for the body, had a lid on me. Now they acting like they know me, got a bag on me, I got a bed now. I got a new car. They wanna know my name cause I'm a star now. Now I'm coming, so I'm hopping, flipping out them gays. Dripping, drowning, I'm just out here trying to make them see. Dior jeans, her money Cali green. She the best I'd ever seen, I need her on my team. Ay, living my life, oh my God, just a blessing. Auto call the chains, I was going get the flexing, RVP on me. All the tech, I got the tech, and now they feeling me. Now they loving me. Living my life, oh my God, just a blessing. All the Cardi James, I was going get the flexing, RVP on me. All the tech, I got the tech, and now they feeling me. Now they loving me. 10 bands, running from the up, that body, I got it on 10-10. Can you stay away from me? Got a so distance. She got a backup nigga playing her position. She on a mission. They see my name and shining lights, I'm going hard away. They say the pain run deep, I had to throw my heart away. You was my brother, then you switching, now you gotta pay. I'm running nothing, Benzing out the hit like 40K. Living my life and I'm up now. Yeah. For the gram now, she a thought now. Yeah. Finessing is the way now. Yeah. Hopping off the porch now. Yeah. Living my life, oh my God, just a blessing. Auto call the chains, I was going get the flexing all VV on me. All the tech, I got the tech and now they feeling me. Now they loving me. Living my life, oh my God, just a blessing. Auto call the chains, I was going get the flexing all VV on me. All the tech, I got the tech and now they feeling me. Now they loving me. Ain't now they loving me. Now they loving me. Ain't now they loving me. Ain't now they loving me.
Before we hit this range, I do want to speak on this. Because since I'm finally in my closet, you know what I'm saying? Shouts out to Eluthra. You know what I'm saying? He made me these custom Air Force Ones. He obviously know that I'm a big Air Force One fan. You know what I'm saying? Look, come down there, but you know what I'm saying? He knows I'm an Air Force One fan, and he put my logo on some Air Force Ones with the gold aglet. Yes, I know this called an aglet, but I watched Phineas and Ferb, but he got the sticks. Hold on, what that say? That bitch say legally dangerous. Y'all know the motto, man. We all legit around anyway. I don't know what this is, honestly. But he got Nigga Man. It look like Spider-Man, but don't look like Spider-Man. It look like Nigga Man, so you know what I'm saying? Maximum effort. Put that maximum stick up that ass, boy. No lacking November. Y'all already know what it is. New segment on the way.